Hi, my name is Vinay Babu Tarala. I am working in College Aerospace. I have over 10 plus years of experience in project management, both in traditional and agile methodologies. I basically belong to aerospace domain and I started my career in College Aerospace itself. It's been more than 10 plus years of association with the College Aerospace. So the first thing that attracted me to join the PMA Pearl City chapter is because of the lot of volunteering opportunities and the networking opportunities. I would name a few, like I have actively involved in various volunteering opportunities, like academic volunteer, PMP exam buddy, and discipline agile ambassador. So because of these various volunteering opportunities, connected with various people who have different experience and from the different domains. The motivation behind doing a discipline agile certification is because once I have done the PMI agile certification practitioner PMA SCP in last June, I was actually confused. If you see in the market, you have a lot of other certifications like SAFe, Scrum, and other Kanban certifications. Then I came to know about the discipline agile, wherein discipline agile is not a methodology or prescriptive methodology. It is a toolkit wherein you will have experience, hands-on experience on all other methodologies and make it what you call work it for the specific context, like Scrum may not work for all the situation. Similarly, Kanban may not work in all situations. So it is the context based that we use particular framework. The top three reasons being with the chapter is because of various volunteering opportunities. For example, I'm doing the PMP exam buddy program and discipline agile ambassador buddy program. So through this program, I'm actually connecting with the different new aspirants, where I'll share my experience with the exam, tips and tricks for cracking the exam. By doing like this, my foundations are getting stronger day by day because learning is easy and teaching is to other person is little bit different when compared to learning. So that is a good opportunity for me to actually enhance my skills. And second one is regarding the network meetings. So by attending network meetings, you will get to meet a lot of new people, especially different leaders from the different domains. Thereby, you will get to know what exactly the project management is in other fields, other domains. And lastly, to stay connected with the project management community. My future plans with the chapter is to continue the PMP exam buddy program and also continue the discipline agile ambassador buddy program, wherein I feel like I'm connected with the PMP and the discipline agile. And also, I'm actively involved in industry specific group. So, looking forward to do more to my community and also, connect with the different people in the domain. My advice to the current and new members is utilize the various volunteering opportunities. Like we have very diverse volunteering opportunities based on your interest. You can pick your choice, and also utilize the chapter resources to make your certification journey easy. Like PMP exam buddy program or discipline agile ambassador buddy program, wherein your journey, if you take it as 100%, it will make it as a 50 to 60%, at least in my experience. That chapter resources helped me in agile certification practitioner exam, because for PMP exam I took around 4 to 5 months of time, but for PMI ACP exam I just took only 2 to 3 months of time, all because of the chapter resources.